Hi there. So you're at the point in your learning where you've selected either a star or a crown. So I'm going to show you in this video how to find your activity that goes with the star or the crown that you're choosing. So the first step is to look in your My Friendship journal, and it looks like that. And then as you turn the pages in your journal, you're going to recognize, or you're going to look for, the page that you already will recognize because you've seen a picture of it. You've seen a picture of it in the module. It said, if you want to do this crown activity, here's what it will look like. And you come to this and you're like, yeah, I've seen this one. This is the one I want to do. And yep, it's a crown activity. Here's the crown right there. So this particular crown activity goes like this. It's called Choice Words. And my job is click on the word box, drag the words in the place you think they fit. Okay, so then I've got these 4 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a column is a direction. It goes up and down like that, kind of like, I don't know, sometimes banks in front of them might have a column, or a college, like an important building might have a column, an up and down sort of feel to it. So in those columns, I'm going to take these words and put them there, but they have to match, right? So this column will be all the words that are positive. In this column, not so positive. In this column, emotions, like how you feel. And in this one, actions, like things you do. Here are the words. Read them with me. We'll start here and we'll go across. Share. Frustrating. I care for myself. I got this. This is too hard. Play. Kind. Powerful. Take turns. Caring. Proud. I care for others. Jealous. All right, so I'm going to take this first one. This one says share. And I'm going to move it. And the way that I move it is that if I run my pointer at it like this, and see how there's like that. See how it changes like that? When I have it like this, I can't move it. But when I move it just a little bit and it changes to that shape, oh, there it is. It kind of looks like, I don't know, like a cross to me. Then I can click it and I can put it where I want to. So let's decide where it's going to go. Share. Is that a positive word? Is it not so positive? Is it an emotion, like somehow you feel that way? Or is it an action, like something you'll do? Right, I think that share is also an action. Share is something that you would do. So come on back to it. Look for my cross. There it is. Click. And now I can drag it right over. Hold down that clicker. Drag it right over to the column that you want it to be in. Let's do another. Frustrating. Is it positive? I don't think frustrating feels very positive. Not so positive. Maybe. Emotions? Frustrating emotion. Maybe it's a way that you feel, or an action. I'm kind of thinking it's not so positive. And I'm also kind of thinking that it's an emotion. So I'm going to take frustrating and I'm going to put it, get my cross, and I'm going to click it and drag it. And this time I'm going to put it between two, like just like that. So I think that frustrating is a not so positive emotion. Want to do one more? Sure. Let's take this one. I care for myself. Where would you place that? I think I agree with you. It's definitely positive to take care for yourself. But it's also an action. Like if you care for yourself, you brush your teeth, you get enough sleep. Yeah, so I'm going to choose one. They're not connected like this one, so it's hard to put it right in the center. But if I go in and click it, there it is. There's my cross. I'm going to click it. I care for myself, and I'm going to put it into an action. So, in your journey, as you come across crowns and stars, remember what they look like. Go back into your Friendship e-journal and just click the pages until you see the one that looks like the activity you're planning to do. That's all for now.